Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful home. Would you mind if we took some pictures?
I'm Mark, your project manager, and this is Jess and David from my team. We're here to help.
Thank you, Mark. It means so much to me.
The damage here is significant.
Yes, especially the load-bearing beams.
We'll need to shore this up immediately. I've taken photos. The calculations show we can salvage the main structure.
And reinforce the foundation here. So there's a real chance?
Yes, there's definite hope.
OK, let's get these ladders in place. Watch the sandbags. Right, safety first. We're ready to start. We've sorted the timber and the metal. That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Keep pulling that section.
It's clearing up nicely, Gran.
Almost there, just this last bit. We'll start with this roofing section. Washington.
Thank you so much. You're all doing amazing.
It's our pleasure.
Look at that. It's really happening. Coming right along. Ready for the next phase. Just beautiful. Look at that.
Look at me.
It's coming together nicely. Thank you both so much.
Another truss is ready.
Bring it up.
Watch your footing there.
Thanks, almost done with this one. Oh, it's perfect. Exactly what I dreamed of. Great job, lads. Oh, it's looking wonderful. We're almost there. Looking good, lads. Just how I remember it. The house looks beautiful. I can't believe the transformation. It's coming along nicely, Mrs. Jenkins. Almost finished now. It's finally done. It's finally done.
Beautiful work.
Beautiful work. Oh, it's just perfect. Thank you.
Keep stacking the timber neatly.
Right, over here.
Watch the light, it's shifting fast.
Almost done with this section.
We need to level this area immediately. Absolutely, I'll update the plan now. Check the grid spacing, make sure it matches the specs.
The consumer unit goes here. We'll need extra lighting circuits in the kitchen. Let's run the main lines first. Agreed.
Nearly done. Perfect fit. Just securing this last one. Look at that. Magnificent. All right, next panel up. Getting it faster. Let's finish this section. We're almost there.
The walls are looking good.
Yes, you've done an excellent job.
Look at this, it's perfect.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. It's so bright and welcoming.
Look how quickly they've done it. It's coming together beautifully. Thank you, it's perfect. Measure twice, cut once.
Looks perfect.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look at it all come together.
Almost done, ma'am.
Just a little more cleaning. Excellent, the tiles are perfect.
Thank you, the fixtures are installed.
It looks beautiful. It's all done, ma'am. We hope you like it.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Thank you both. I can't believe it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. So close. They did such a wonderful job. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It's beautiful. We did our best to make it perfect for you. Almost done, just a few finishing touches now. Oh, it looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much.
Not this foundation.
Look at what we've done here. Oh my goodness. Oh my, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Look at your beautiful garden. It's all so much, so perfect. Just like you remember it. I never thought I'd see this day. We're glad to make it happen. Oh, it's just wonderful. Thank you so much. I never thought I'd have a kitchen like this. It's just perfect. Oh, it's just as I remember it. So peaceful. Thank you. This is everything. Help yourselves, dear ones.
Oh, this is perfect.
Thank you so much. It looks lovely. It's the least I could do after all your hard work.
This is it, you see. My mother and father, right here. We understand. It's a beautiful picture. It means the world to us.
Welcome, everyone. What a beautiful home, Joan. We brought you a little something. Oh, thank you. This is wonderful.
Together we planted this symbol of our community.
Oh,
Cheers to the Community Oak Project.
may it grow tall and strong.
I'm not thine and none. I tried on the guns that road too.
Hello, John. Good afternoon, Sarah. Good afternoon, Mary.